curls. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And today, as you can see down below, I'm doing a review on this amazing pills. Can you see? Yes. So it's about it's superior in strength, hair, skin, and nail, and it has 5,000 mcg biotin, and is with argan oil, coconut oil, and collagen in Spanish, and it's a non-GMO, gluten-free, and it has 165. Can you see right there? Yes. So let me tell you, it's full. And this one, I don't know, for some reason it has 2, but you have to take 3 every day after eating, of course. And the last 2, I'm gonna be missing one. So yeah, let me tell you why I'm stopping to taking this stuff. So I'm not gonna be taking this one no more. So I noticed, even though I bite them, you could tell the difference. Can you tell the difference? Yes, right here. Okay. So I bite them, but they do grow. My nails grow, and my skin is perfect. You know what else grows? Hair on my chest. It grows. Hair everywhere, like everywhere. Like, this is just insane. I'm hair everywhere, like literally everywhere. And when you shave down there, when you shave down there, it's like you don't want me to talk now. Rocky, when you shave down there, let me tell you, be prepared to shave every 3 days. So I'm not gonna keep shaving for every 3 days, because you know this tongue gets dark. And right here, let me tell you, it's just insane. So if you want your hair everywhere to grow, of course we just want this to grow, but this feels like, so whoever wants it, let me know, and I'm gonna send one. The first one to write to me, I'm gonna send you one, and then not this one, because of course it's open. I'll get you a brand new one and send you one. Just hit me up, DM me on Last Shade X, and then the line is down below, down my description box. And I think my hair is thicker. It is really thick, but yo, like, I know, like, my eyebrows, I haven't done my eyebrows since quarantine started, so I don't know. So I can really tell. I know they thick, but did I mention my chest? Like, it got me frustrated. I'm like, what? On my chest? Like, are you serious? Like, I don't want to be walking like a guy, like a man. Like, I'm not even brother. I'm going to measure my hair. So So I'm bringing my good friend Lisa to measure my hair now. So as you can see, it passed 10 inches, so it didn't grow so much as the rice water, but it did grow. And I suggest you to take it. Like, yes, you could take it. There's no wrong in taking vitamins for your hair and nails. And what else? But I'm going to stop it because, like I keep telling you guys, I'm fed up with my hair growing everywhere. And so yes, please comment down below the comments and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe down below as well, and click that bell button so you could get more notification. And thank you. You'll be taking the pills, have you? So thank you so much. Thank you. Adios.